Welcome to Module 3. Now, Module 3 is going to cover benzene and aromatic compounds. We'll also talk about what makes a compound non-aromatic and anti-aromatic. So we're going to look at benzene and we're going to react with benzene. We're going to talk about some of the common names, things like phenol, toluene, aniline. You'll have to get used to some of those names as well as naming things as benzene. Now, as we start reacting our benzene, some of those substituents then will direct other substituents. So we'll talk about our ortho, meta, and para directors. As before, we have our resources tab that has some videos embedded for you here, as well as a note sheet provided here. And again, I suggest that you print out the note sheet and then go through the videos. I think that's probably going to be the most efficient way to get through this material. We have my written lecture with some videos embedded in for you here, and a benzene derivatives image from Compound Chem. Compound Chem is a great source for infographics like this. Then we have the e-text embedded for you. Now in the e-text, these are chapters 15 and 16. We do have a couple of practice problems for you here working on nomenclature as well as reactions. The assignments for Module 3, we have our homework assignment, and there is a video associated with this homework assignment that you should be able to see to show you how to work these problems, as well as a discussion. So the discussion is an article review. Please make sure there is organic chemistry in your article. Remember to check the calendar in the classroom to see when that initial post is due. The initial post is always due before the module due date. And then we have a lab for Module 3. So we're going to work with ferric ammonium nitrate, and we're going to work with colorimetric functional groups. So there are some, the discussion topics look like they didn't copy over, so I will get those corrected for you before you get here. The lab notebook document is provided, and here is the lab simulation. It's also linked in for you here. And then, of course, as before, the Module 3 lab Dropbox is where you I would say drop off, but turn in your lab file. Please reach out with any questions and let me know how I can help you.